Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something truly unique and exciting to talk about. The Speed Beautyman's long brown curly cosplay wig with beard. If you're looking for the best curly beard styles out there, you're in the right place. Stick around, because we're about to dive into all the details of this fantastic product. Let's start with the basics. This Speed Beauty cosplay wig with beard is a game changer for anyone looking to rock some seriously stylish facial hair. It's not just a wig, it's a complete transformation. This package includes a stunning wig and a free cap, making it perfect for a variety of occasions. The wig and beard are made from high-temperature silk, which means you can style them with a curling iron or hair straightener to achieve your desired look. They have a natural look and a soft, comfortable feel. Plus, the Korean rose breathable mesh ensures breathability, so you'll stay comfortable no matter how long you wear it. What's really impressive is that this wig and beard combo comes with an adjustable size. That means no need for pins or tape, it should fit most people comfortably. Whether it's Halloween, a concert, a theme party, a wedding, or even a special date, this Speed Beauty wig with beard has got you covered. Now, let's talk about the price. The Speed Beautyman's long brown curly cosplay wig with beard is available at just $20.88, which is a steal for the transformation it offers. And if you're looking for alternatives, check out these related products. So, there you have it, folks. The Speed Beautyman's long brown curly cosplay wig with beard is the best choice for those looking to sport some fantastic curly beard styles. It's versatile, comfortable, and affordable. Whether you're dressing up for Halloween, a special event, or just having some fun, this product has got you covered. If you're interested in getting your own Speed Beauty cosplay wig with beard, check the link in the description below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more fantastic reviews like this one. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay stylish and keep those beard styles on point.